Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of using bulky curtains that are a hassle to install and take down? Adhesive Blackout curtains by Sovtfides are here to change the game. Imagine having a portable, durable, and super comfy solution for all your curtain needs. That's what you get with these amazing self-stick shades. With their easy and damage-free installation, you can simply peel and stick them to your windows, making them perfect for renters or those who want to avoid wall damage. You'll love the superior light blockage and privacy they provide. It's like having your own personal sleep sanctuary, and the best part is, they're really effective at blocking out sunlight, ensuring you have a comfortable sleeping environment. The portable and adjustable design makes them easily reusable and adjustable, so you can take them with you wherever you go, and get a perfect fit every time. Many customers have purchased and reviewed these curtains, and it's clear they're a popular choice, and for good reason. They're made from high-quality materials that are resistant to wear and tear, so you can enjoy them for years to come. The stylish and decorative options available will add a touch of elegance to your home decor, and with their versatile design, you can use them in any room. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or just someone who loves to sleep in, these curtains are a must-have. They're perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere, and they're so easy to use, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. So why settle for bulky, inconvenient curtains when you can have a sleek, portable, and comfortable solution? Give Adhesive Blackout curtains by Sovtfides a try, and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.